So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. Wow, she has some extremely long waist length hair. The stylist cuts the hair off. There is the before, and bam, beautiful shoulder length bob makeover. Very nice. Love how chic and polished this is. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some beautiful hairstyle ideas. Here we have one of the most popular hair trends for 2023, and that is, of course, the look of layers. This hairstyle is gorgeous. Love how volumized her strands look. And then we move into another haircut transformation. She looks like she's also going to be getting a bob haircut. Very nice chic bob style with the curtain bangs. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a gorgeous pixie style. I love her hair color. The beautiful feathered bangs moving into the back. Such a gorgeous pixie style. And then we have someone else with another layered haircut. She does have some ombre hair color with this. Wow, her hair looks absolutely amazing. The cut and the color combination. So here we have a chic pixie haircut style. Followed by a beautiful pixie bob haircut with an undercut. And then we have another shoulder length bob. I love the color combination of this. Beautiful chocolate brown with a few hints of blonde sprinkled in. And then we have another bob haircut idea. Next up, we have another hair transformation. I love the reddish copper color that she has here. And the stylist cuts the hair into a very nice pixie bob. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.